So this weekend, we came to camp at Sequoia. It's pretty dope so far. It's been pretty cool. Right now, I woke up to go work out, to go run, do some abs, do some workouts. And I'm tired. I'm actually right now walking, trying to like just explore, go farther into the street just to see what's down there. Because right now, when we're parked right now, the little parking place or little stop, it's Three Rivers, California. And well, it's pretty little and there's not much to walk around and do right there. There's a pretty cool lake though. I'll get in there later. But right now I'm just exploring. Later on we're gonna go to Sequoia and actually see the trees and walk around and probably get killed by bears. I found this old post office. Look at that. Look at that. America. You see, like stuff like that, you would not be able to see in the city. Maybe there's certain parts where you see old buildings and stuff like that, but not as rad as that, not as radical as that. That's pretty cool. That's pretty dope. And I dig that. And that's what I like about going out and exploring the forest and exploring the national parks and stuff like that, because like you find stuff you never knew about or stuff that you never would have seen in your life if you didn't get out your butt and go and do something. So, more of this clip of the video, do something with your life, boy. Do something. Yeah, yo, I found turkeys. Look at that turkey. That's pretty cool. It's crazy. Came running. Saw that. Wow. Now we out here in Sequoia. We're about to go look at General Sherman tree. So let's see how this is. Such a beauty. Such a beauty. Too bad he can't be here. weekend. Amazing weekend. I gotta admit it. Successful weekend too. Spend it with people I love, people that are genuinely cool to be around with, and just overall awesome weekend. That was cool. Finally, I got to distract myself, did some stuff that I haven't done in freaking years, and well, it was just good. Good to record it too. I didn't have my phone, honestly. I didn't have my phone because I lost connection on top of it in the mountains the whole freaking trip. So I had Wi-Fi, but it was whatever. We're in the middle of the mountain with Wi-Fi, so it sucked. It wasn't that good. So I decided to just kind of live with nature, if one and all. But yeah, it's a good way to distract yourself, to go out there and just, look at the stars in the night, just think about stuff and just kind of find yourself and, just kind of relieve yourself from all the stuff that you go on in your everyday life. Because it can be a toll on you. Technology, school, work, whatever's. It could all be a toll on you after so many days and so many repeatedly times that you do it and do it and do it again. So yeah, if you need a break, go take it. Whatever, just take it. If you like taking a ride, take a ride. If you like eating, go eating. If you like going far, go far. If you like taking pictures of stuff and go out there and explore different things and take pictures of it. Just do something that distracts you. Honestly, we all need a break. We're not robots. We are not meant to just do everything repeatedly. We're meant to take breaks. We're humans. Alright? So understand that. Get out there, do something, relieve yourself, distract yourself, be happy, and peace.